Well, I did want to take one moment to explain, for those of you that don't know, and to get you guys to help celebrate in a very day occasion here. You may notice this gentleman over my shoulder with a video game. We are not starting up a new version of The Office. Again, he is not from the news. This is seriously because Mickey is at the end of his AJAC program. Okay. So for those of you who don't know, the entourage that was following Mickey around today, like a rock star, is because they're also documenting the fact that after 3 years, started in 2022, he is finally coming to the end of his AJAC program. For those of you that don't know who AJAC is, they are a fantastic organization that partners with businesses, local businesses like ours. We have how long, Kathy, have we been partnered with them?
God, I don't know.
A long time.
50 years?
Yeah, maybe 15 years. Helping get skills to folks like you guys. So their program has grown over the years, just as our company has grown over the years. And we have kind of grown together. Right now, as it sits, we have also folks that go through this program in Auburn. Mickey was one of the people out here that actually signed up for the program and has been working towards this certification. It's a combination of things from time on the job, testing, training. It is not an easy thing to do, especially when you have life obligations. The fact that Mickey has been able to persevere through this with some of the tribulations and trials he's had in his own personal life, derailing some of those things, right? And he still has come back to it. It's finally at the end of it. And AJAC wants to feature him. So this video, they don't do this just for anybody. This is just Mickey. So he is truly a rock star. Yeah, please. So he had to actually do an interview today, and they're getting all of this footage because this fine gentleman's going to splice it together and make Mickey look awesome. This is going to be used. We will be able to see this. This will be on YouTube, I believe. So once it's done, we'll get a copy of it. We'll be able to take a look at it, and we can all give him a hard time of how he showed up on the camera. But
he said AI is pretty incredible these days. That's what we're worried about.
But in seriousness, he's going to finish this. His graduation won't actually be until next June. So we get a second time to celebrate him. But please join me in really getting him a warm applause for a job well done.
Is today the last week?
Would you like to say something yourself up here?
Oh, I just like to... Orion gave me the opportunity to go back to school. I wasn't the best kid growing up, but if I had the opportunity to go back to and do an apprenticeship, I was going to take full advantage. And luckily at AJAC, everything I learned at the apprenticeship, really I could apply to my work. So it helped me out. The people there were wonderfully nice and supportive. I had to take a little time off in the middle for personal stuff, but we were able to get it done. So I just appreciate, Orion's side, AJAC side, both of them. And to finally be done because it's been a long time. But it's been great, and I hope if anyone gets the opportunity that they could go for it. It's worth it. So thank you guys.